So here we are in the free online PixLR program, and you have to kind of log into it, but it's free. And I'm selecting the Advanced E version. So I did this once before to make sure it worked. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to open the image I have on my desktop, which is right here, O1 Start, PSD, open. You can see the layers are over here. It's very similar to Photoshop, but it still looks kind of clunky. So we're going to start on this lower layer called rows. There are also there are layers on top of it called ribbons, but since this is highlighted and it's called rows, this is what we're going to be working on. So we can unlock it so we can work on it. And we're going to adjust the color, the brightness and the contrast on this image. So since we're going to adjust something, we'll go to the adjustments drop down here and go to brightness and contrast, and this pop-up menu comes up. And we're going to, these are little toggle things. We can brighten up the image a bit here. And then with the contrast, we're just going to drag this over to the right a bit too. So something like that looks good. Hit apply. So that is now applied to this this layer. So oops, Control Z. And I can lock it again. So now you can see the lock is over here. And we're going to move up to the ribbons area, and these three dots, we can unlock this. Well, it is unlocked, but it's also hidden. So in Photoshop, it's a little eye, but we're going to select visible, and we're going to see that there is a happy birthday ribbon here. So we're going to make another ribbon. We're going to get the eyedropper tool, or the picker, they call it the picker, and select this color. And we're going to come up here and get this marquee tool. And right around here, we're going to create a box. Then we're going to get the brush tool, and I'm going to make this brush a bit bigger and fill in this box with the same color. So versus air, I'm going to select this tool here, which is kind of a diamond shape, but I don't want it to be soft. I want it to be hard edge, and then I'm going to make it pretty big. And then I'm going to select the eraser tool because I want to erase from here. So it seemed to have gotten smaller again, and I don't want it soft, I want it hard. And then I'm going to take this diamond shape, place it over that ribbon area to cut a little notch out of it, and there we go. So now I'm going to go to the T, which is the type tool, and type in, well, I guess you have to select this add text, and it's already selected, so I'm going to type in Destiny. And you can, that's an Arial, so get something a little bit more decorative. It looks, it's kind of hard to read. That looks kind of nice. But because it's the same color, you're not going to read it over that, so you need to change the color here and make something like that. And then hit OK. And you can drag this over here and place it over the ribbon, and then hit Command 0 and go to File, Save, save it as B birthday HB Destiny, and you can save it as a PNG, PXD, which is the file name that PixLR you created out of PixLR or JPEG. So I'm going to save it as a JPEG. It flattens all those layers, and then it will have JPEG at the end of the name. So I'm going to hit download, and it's downloading down here. And then there it is. So you could save that to your desktop and upload it to Blackboard. Thanks.